Now is the best time to own a VIVE XR Elite. Whether you already have one or if you're still on the fence about getting one, with the launch of the Deluxe Pack, there are now 4 brand new accessories to try out. These accessories are a fantastic addition to making your wireless PC VR setup comfortable. The Deluxe Pack continues to live up to its eco-friendly aesthetic by continuing to have that cozy gray color. Once you open the box, we'll find all 4 accessories nicely arranged in their compartments. The top lid of the box has directions to help walk you through the setup process. There's even a QR code that you can scan with your phone. But don't worry, I'll help walk you through the setup process in this video as well. The first piece we see here is the VIVE Face Gasket 2.0. This gasket's even more comfortable than the original gasket the XRE came with. Its foam is soft and plush, feeling like a cozy pillow hugging your face. Comfortable VR is super important for long playtimes, and especially if you enjoy sleeping in VR. Right beneath the new gasket, you'll find an extra foam piece which is super easy to put on. The foam is attached by Velcro, which allows for easy swapping. Next, you'll find the VIVE Deluxe Strap. This is designed to take the pressure off of your forehead and the bridge of your nose, and redistribute it to the top of your head. This has definitely increased my playtime. The Deluxe Pack is a great example of how VIVE is continuing to increase comfort for users, as well as provide options for the VR community. On the right side of the box, you'll find the VIVE MR Gasket used for mixed reality experiences. Mixed reality allows you to merge the real world with digital objects using the XRE's pass-through feature. The MR Gasket's design is to lift the headset away from your face, giving you back some of your peripheral vision, which is nice to have in a mixed reality setting. There are also some great games you can play that take advantage of this tech. And of course, you can use this gasket to play other types of content that are not mixed reality, but I would recommend the VIVE Face Gasket 2.0 because the more you can immerse yourself and cut out your peripheral vision for VR gaming, the more epic the experience becomes. It's so cool to see how VIVE is continuously innovating and exploring their tech so that they can bring VR culture to the next level. And to the left, we'll find the VIVE Temple Clips, which are there to help support the weight of the battery pack. You'll get a right one and a left one, which you'll want to put on before you snap in the battery pack. Now let's take a look at how to apply each of these accessories. The MR gasket is super easy to apply. You'll just let the magnetic piece grab it as you hover your hand over the lens, and then go ahead and push in the MR piece to snap it into place. You'll have to choose between the MR gasket and the gasket 2.0 before you start using your XRE. You'll start with the battery cradle off and add on your VIVE Temple Clips to the right and left side. You'll need to apply a bit of force to get these to connect to the sides of the headset. Once those are on, connect your battery cradle. If you want to use the VIVE Face Gasket 2.0, it's a similar method to where you hover the gasket by the lenses and let it snap on. Make sure to push in the top and bottom of the gasket. You can also pull on the top once it's locked in and you hear a click. This way you can ensure it's really snapped in there. And now for the strap. You'll clip in the battery cradle connected to the Deluxe Strap, make sure to snap it in, and next grab the front of the Deluxe Strap, hook it onto this open slot here in the front of the XRE, and you can start just past the front lens and slide it towards the center of the headset. Now you can easily adjust the head strap piece by peeling off the Velcro and pulling it back. These improvements to the VIVE XR Elite are making it better and better, truly making it a great time to buy the VIVE XR Elite. And if you already own the XRE, you can actually get all 4 of these accessories at no extra cost. You can learn more info on how to claim that below. These new accessories are a great way to enjoy wireless PC VR comfortably. One other important question that I've seen that I do want to address is the Deluxe Strap compatible with the VIVE Full Face Tracker? And the answer is yes, it is. You'll want to remove all gaskets on the XRE and go ahead and attach the VIVE Full Face Tracker by snapping in the USB-C. Adding that gasket that comes with the accessory on top, and of course adding the Deluxe Strap on last. These 4 accessories are continuing to add to the value of the VIVE XR Elite. Not to mention the VIVE Full Face Tracker, which is an accessory separate from these 4 that allow you to have full face tracking. And if that sounds exciting to you, I recommend you check out 6 use cases for the VIVE Full Face Tracker next.